Have you ever been to professional development that's absolutely terrible? Me too. You sit and you look at your watch and you think, God, when is this over? Well, friends, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. My name is Monica Genta, and I am super excited to announce a brand new online course that I am launching this February. It is titled Crushing It for Kids, and it is a 21-day online opportunity to experience professional development in your pajamas. It is full of video content, live online Facebook opportunities for really deep learning, and an incredible network of teachers from all over the United States. Not to mention that you get a copy of my brand new book, Crushing It for Kids. This all starts on February 2nd, and I want to personally invite you to participate. Friends, PD can be amazing and it can be different. At this point, you're probably wondering what's with the hat. It's to prove that sometimes different gets your attention, and it works the same way for our kids. So come check out a 21-day different experience like you've never had, so you can go into your school and crush it for kids. Click the link to find out more, and I cannot wait to dive into this opportunity with you.